How's it going, everyone? I want to do a quick video on MLGO because it had a very bad day today. Is this going to be like the turnaround? And when I'm looking at this stock, I'm like, surely we're going to have a green day, right? That ends green. So we closed down the day 15%, and yeah, it's just been like a nightmare looking at this stock. We hit the upper band here and we sold off. According to the system, it's very dangerous. We know not to buy there. So where can we get a bounce? This thing had a very big rally. If you look at the shorter time frame, the 15-minute, look at this nice rally it had. Pre-market, very nice rally. But if you didn't have 7 a.m. trading, you couldn't get the peaks here at 4 in the morning, but it's still a nice little gain from 291 to about 358. If we do the calculator on this, 291, you can get like conservative gain here. You're looking at 23% rise. That was pretty nice. But how do we look to trade this? Are we going to have another rally here? I'm trying to be very cautious because if you look at it, is engaged in the development application of looking at it's a software and IT service. I'm trying to get the best entry here, and when I'm looking at the daily chart, you can see we had a lot of red days. If you start right here, this one closed red. This one obviously closed some green. But if you start here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's on a big streak of red days. Is the 15th going to be a red day? That's the question. And could the 16th? So what we want to do is do what makes sense. We can't just base it on that because that's kind of luck. But if anybody sees this, they're going to be like, okay, this is due for a dead cat bounce. So the targets we want to see is the EMA 5. We have not hit the EMA 5 since this candle here to a T. As you can see, according to my system, we have to hit the EMA 5. Anything that don't touch it in 7 daily candles is really long. Well, we're heading on into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles here, and then we had this black space here. If we do close the red, if we close tomorrow on Friday red, I will definitely be looking to get into this. I want to take a shot at this, see what it's going to do. I definitely think we can get some type of move up from here. I really see it coming. And our targets are pretty broad here. We have the EMA 10 is the next target. This one's at 4.57, and then the EMA 20, the light blue band, is at 5.88. If you guys don't know, exponential moving averages, always use those for targets because price has to go back to those. It will hit those, and that's why I'm using them. So the EMA 5 is at 3.16. I mean, 3.16, and you can kind of look like, how are these fluctuating? Because they are going to go down some. 392 to 355, that was about a 40 cent loss. 355 to 316, you're looking about 40 cents again. So if we do the math here, the EMA should fluctuate to around 280. 280, the price is at 238. So if let's just say we hit the EMA tomorrow, EMA 5 tomorrow from 2.30 to 2.80, you're looking at a 17% return. Not too bad, right? And that's very conservative. It's very doable. And it's not as risky because we're looking into an EMA 5 touch very soon. But here's what I think is very important because we can't use the ATR of 4. I would love to take a trade if it hit this bottom band, but we can't because when price rises, the bands go opposite directions. And so now that it's fallen down, we haven't had a chance to really use that. So I don't think it's going to hit the bottom band. Obviously, it's a negative number. We can't use that. We're going to use this on the EMA 5, the EMA 10, and 20. We have massive room to the 20, around $5.97. That will be a 100% return. The EMA 10 is at around $4, and then the EMA 5 is 3.16. Those are very conservative targets, but you got to realize how important this is. When they hit it, algos do it to a T. Look at this. They hit this EMA 5 and it rejects instantly. Only algorithms can do that. It hits it, rejects. And as you can see, it does it very precise. We hit the 10, rejects. Hits the 10, rejects. These are going to be used as resistance areas. But the main thing I want to show you guys is look at the K value. We're sitting at 2.37. Yesterday we were at 2.69, 2.98. We were just stagnant towards these low K values. So when we stay at these low K values, we were even at the low under 2. So I really think we can get a move up just based on that. But I would definitely look to get into this one tomorrow on a red day. Maybe an overreaction. We'll see. And that's really my analysis. I don't have to get into on it. Obviously, I'm in another swing trade. I learned it in the Discord, and you can see that if you join. But I try to look for the best setups, and I try to look also for the trend channels. What are we looking at, and shorter term. But this one isn't really respecting a lot of things, right? Let's do it at the very top because obviously we are at the top channel here, so this does kind of scare me here. I really think, just maybe, we might get a move down from there. But yeah, it's a very tricky one. I wouldn't use that. I would use it based on the EMA 5, based on the K, and the time distance of that. Because this strategy works. If it doesn't touch it in 7 daily candles, we're at 5. It's very rare. So I'm going to probably look to get in this tomorrow on a red candle, see if we get another one. I mean, we're at what, 15 candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're at 14 candles of being red. That's a lot. It's probably the most this thing has ever been consistently red. So that alone is going to have a lot of eyes on it, guys. So yeah, it's known for spiking, so be patient, hold their shares, because this thing can really pump when it starts going. But you want to make sure you have a good average. Okay, guys, if you guys learned a lot, there is a premium Discord I offer. There's services on how to set up your chart like this, how to use this strategy in so many different ways. The best strategy, the way to use it, is finding stocks at or below the ATR 4 with the trend channel and looking to target the EMA 5, 10, and 20 for consistent gains and just keep repeating. It's a very nice strategy. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you're more than welcome to join. I think I can guarantee you a lot of things is if you do this strategy, follow my alerts, follow the accumulation patterns, you will be a profitable trader. I'm not here to guarantee you make millions and millions of dollars, but I will say this strategy, most traders lose. Over 90% of traders lose. You have a big advantage over everyone. It took me a while to figure this out, but price goes in waves, right? It goes up and down. It's our job to figure out, how to buy low and sell high. We do not want to chase when stocks are doing this. Because when stocks are running like this, it's very risky. It can go shooting down just like it done. And a lot of the times I am shorting stocks that are at the ATR 4 because where does price usually go is back to the EMA 5 in a very short target. Then it can go back up and then it goes back to the 5, 10, and 20. And you can make massive money doing that. So, but MLGO, I really think this is a very bullish setup. I mean, it's due for a dead cat. And I would not be surprised if it just hits the EMA 20. And it could do that all in one day. But I will be looking for the EMA 5 for a conservative target, and that was around 20%. EMA 10 is at 4.57, and if you look at these, 4.57, there's massive room to that. 92%. Let's look at the EMA 20. 5.85 area. Obviously, they're going to fluctuate if they don't hit these right away. You're looking at 145% gain. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the description or the YouTube comments will be pinned. Join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. All you have to do is, when you click that, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Just head on over to Server Shop and you will see the products I offer. You will trade like a pro. You will be profitable. I guarantee that. I promise you, because I've been doing this strategy for over 6 years and I've been making consistent money over and over again. And you can use this strategy any way you like. And the main thing is I teach you how to fish. So Swing Trading Plus is $6, or you want Day in Swing Trading Plus, which I highly recommend, is $12 a month. I personally enjoy day trading a lot more with this strategy, and you get access to everything if you do the $12 a month. So all these channels will unlock, and I recently added RTK live streams. I will go live on what I see in my day trades, and you'll see exactly how I'm doing it, my setup, any live questions. I will alert when I go live in my channel here. I also have the RTK journal. You can see the big success rate. Over 95% of trades are going to win. Yes, you're going to have your rare occurrences. You cannot win every trade, but you will win the majority of your trades. That I guarantee, and I have proof to show it. Because I'm doing exactly what the system tells me. There's no bias, nothing. Trade alerts will look like this, very easy. You get alerted on your phone when I get in and when I exit. And then same goes with the day trade alerts. They look like this. I tell you what exactly I'm buying and all that. So I hope to see you guys there. MLGO is looking very bullish. I would definitely not be shorting this due to the big spikes this has. I like I said, in a moment's time, like look at this. Look at this big downfall. And then two candles go all the way back up. This thing can go up instantly. Yes, it sucks to see all these daily candles, but it could very well be trying to fill this gap right here. 175, it might. We'll see. But keep this one on watch. I like how the K value is at 2.37. Haven't hit the EMA 5 and 10 in quite some time. So I really think this is due for a run. So hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'm telling you, it's the best thing. You guys are going to be profitable. And if you do join and hit the Day and Swing Trading Plus, do it on your computer. It is a lot cheaper because you avoid the iOS fee. You'll be charged a little more on your phone. So do keep that in mind. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay hyped, stay blessed, and happy trading. And would love to see you guys in here. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.